This is a county assembly of Kisii. We want to talk on issues that happened yesterday. And I hereby give the Deputy Speaker, Honorable Jacob Bagaka, a chance to enlighten on what happened and what we are posting. Thank you.
Members of the press, my name is Honorable Jacob Bagaka, the Deputy Speaker for Kisii County Assembly. We have a press statement relating to police harassment towards Kisii County government. As the elected leaders of Kisii County, we take this opportunity to condemn the recent acts of police harassment towards the county government of Kisii. We note with concern that Kisii County is a devolved government which is recognized constitutionally, and the relationship with the national government and the county government is complementary rather than adversary. Last Friday, a contingent of armed police officers, including GSU, Rec Squad, DCI, and regular police, unilaterally stormed the county offices within the county assembly precincts. Without the courtesy of informing the relevant county officers, the police officers who were accompanied by the Deputy County Commissioner for Kisii Central raided the office which has been assigned the Kisii Municipality Circle and purported to close it, terming it a crime scene. The police officers did not even have the courtesy of informing the county assembly where the office is located, or do have a search warrant. The raid followed the launch of the Kisii Municipality Bodaboda Circle, which was presided over by His Excellency Governor Paul Simba Arati. A day earlier, the circle is a constituent of umbrella of Kisii County Bodaboda Transport Union, which was formed last year, and as part of the youth empowerment efforts, the governor has embraced the organization besides others like Mamambogas, Chuakali, and other circles and chamas formed by traders in the county of Kisii. Indeed, at the county assembly, we have already enacted the county credit scheme to help empower the small and medium enterprises financially. As if that is not enough, only yesterday, the GSU officers raided the governor's office and ransacked it without due regard to inform him of the intention, nor did they have a search warrant to that effect. This was an act of impunity which goes contrary to the Constitution of Kenya 2010. It begs the question, why would the government send truckloads of GSU officers from Nairobi to harass the governor and his officers instead of dispatching them to banditly prone areas like Northeastern and Baringo? This marks of ill intention aimed at derailing the governor and the county government of Kisii from the course of normal operations. We hereby ask the Interior CS, Professor Kindiki, to come out clear and explain to Kenyans why they are victimizing Governor Simba Arati because of his political inclinations. At the same time, we condemn South Murambo MP, Honorable Sylvanus Osoro, for just stamping on the illegal police operations in Kisii County. As a member of Parliament from Kisii, Osoro should concentrate on his oversight role on the national government, and especially on the rising cost of living, which is affecting all Kenyans as of today. Members of the press, equally we take exception with a section of MCAs of Kisii County Assembly who are going around funerals and misleading the public on issues of budget allocation. The budget is done by the Kisii County, and there is no money that has been removed for any ward within Kisii County. Contrary to their lies, the current budget has not been mutilated or altered or frozen. In fact, the budget execution is on course, and soon several projects and programs will be rolled out by respective officers. We challenge the MCAs who are being used by detractors to undermine the county government to cease forthwith or raise their issues at the floor of the House. Thank you.
Damaris Nyanchoka, Special Elect, Kisii County. Actually, as a woman leader, we are so angered over what happened yesterday. And it has gone to an extent that some of the members of National Assembly, they're even dividing the House of Kisii County Assembly. As women, we feel so bad because Kenya Kwanza government, their manifesto was to help to empower people from grassroots to upper. And now we are fearing over Mama Mboga. Like yesterday, most of our women were unable to carry their own business. Because we can't hide our heads and think that it is normal. Because as women, we normally fear GSU officers. And we normally know when these operations happen, what kind of activities are carried in that community. So as women, we are here calling our leaders, especially our MCAs in Kisii County, to fear God so that we can serve this county. And now we ask that the national government, Professor Kindiki, to do investigation so that our women can be safe. We know that if we are going to allow this kind of intimidation to proceed on, mostly women, we are the people who suffer. And as a leader who represent women in this county, I condemn this strongly with all my body organs. Thank you.
Manane Richmond Rayori, mwakilishi ya kata ya Bogeka. Langu mimi ningependa kumshutumu waziri wa ulinzi Raymond Omolo, kwa sababu unajua GSU ama wale askari wafanya fujo uone wanapotembelea kwenye sehemu yeyote ile lazima wapate idhinisho kutoka kwa serikali. Tunataka kujua ni nani huyu alitoa maombi kwenda kwa serikali kwa kwamba Kisii iko hatarini ili waweze kuleta hao askari wafanya fujo. Tafadhali mimi ningehimiza Raymond Omolo, ni kama amelalia kazi, asiwache maafisa wake wakuja wakatumike kizembe, kwa sababu hapa Kisii tuna amani. Wache yale ambao wanaambiwa kwenye hao vijana wa bajaji ambao waliweza kutengeneza kikundi ile ya kuchangisha fedha ziweze kuwasaidia. Tunajua kwamba serikali kuu ilipokuwa katika kwenye ile mkondo wa kutafuta kura, walikuwa wanasema kwamba watakapochukua uongozi watasaidia mama mboga na hao vijana wa bajaji. Lakini sasa imerudi kuwa kinyume, kwa sababu gavana wetu waliwaambia vijana wakatengeneza kikundi, wamekusanya fedha, lakini haijafurahisha wengi. Ndio maana unaona hata waliotoka kwenye serikali iliyopita bado wanatupiga vita, hawataki wananchi wetu wafanyiwe maendeleo, kwa sababu haya yote ambayo mnayaona hapa ni ile tu, ni kama kucheza mchezo wa paka na panya, ili tusiweze kulenga yale matekelezo ambayo tunataka kutekeleza kwenye kaunti yetu. Mimi ningehimiza ya kwamba serikali kuu tafadhali iwache uzembe, iwache kutumika askari wake vibaya. Kuna sehemu mbalimbali ambao wanahitaji usaidizi, wapelekwe kule. Kisii tuko na amani. Wacha kusikiza wale pekee ambao wanapiga mdomo hapa na pale ndio waweze kusikizwa. Serikali yetu sisi wote ni yetu, serikali kuu na serikali ya kaunti. Kwa hivyo tafadhali wacha tuwe na amani, askari wenu rudisha mahali mlitoa.
Asa marita ngoro corona dachira igondo mo MCA we wodi ya Moticho kwa sababu mugirano igoncho olire amone serikali ya Kenya kwanza, lakini ibintu bya betega iga ntuna bantu ba Kenya kwanza asensemo ya assembly ya Kisii ntoko kiri ne mechera batu biyete yo koleta basikali iga ntumanye tenga tubati serikali ibere tubati national government na county government totuara masikani ase county government ekeramo go kolegas ekiagera tubati chio bisiga iga county commander no bali mukavana no hale mu county commissioner no hale bagwenda ka ba uniform dinga na ki emechando nere bosongo bamanye ko leta basikali ku national government bamanye go choro kero mu gutuma GSU iga violence jaringe bosongo onye ne bibago GSU ja kuri bibago GSU te kuri criminals bosongo ega siasa dinere die kero mu ko leta GSU iga GSU iga siabo no ko genda kabedo gochikominyokana na machambasi ali ku ibechon no ko minyokana northeastern na kolende mipaka yetu no ko genda Boni Forest na kuita al-Shabab tali gochikominyokania na bana inji bagusi bagenda to koroboli mibwabo bali mechingende bali mebituma bali mechinyene chinsaga basa praya bantu Nairobi banyore ndage igore chiro ya daraja tego iri because GSU yecho leteka ikabosongo esenga choko intimidate abantu baito babosongo nto kwanche serikali yenene echeko intimidate abantu baito babosongo gaiga ngano koba yebinte bisinini batatagete omugabano ita kolegas omugabano ito na choletu na abantu 300 bamwagere chikura ekera choletu aye kulibaga akolera abantu gasi ekasi negedere to kana se county ya Bosongo abako tebangi gasi nete neine ntuntumanye ti because kire wodi ere Bosongo gaiga e project ya koliwo konyorore para ya limiru none kirasi ya koliru paka biri sinjigende to wakanu abantu wakanu bali meshahara ntuturo chigende gede neine ga onye mutagete kotebererio mugabano ito ngata kolegas egere mmacho okora bintu bimoja okora mokonyara onde bwensi ugwatu musaada no problem no mugabano Bosongo tigalete impeachment motion ya assembly to ye tiororo dominyokani ororo inereyo itugone ko rusi mugabano ororo tadi national government onde bwensi ogotumekaga abana baitu mbale ga babere batatu bakona gutumika kana kwa gucisiringi 10 tigatuma te bali ko moshoni barete mali assembly tomenya nororo toronye bagwete chibe numbers bite lakini we must defend umugaba no bosongo ikira gacho nantu babosongo igale lizo ya bosongo abantu baitu bagusi mote no mulembe mtuko kubatetea tole asante sana na mnashukuru
nete abantu baitu babwato bale magaiga bosongo ze county itase governor Simbarat are a president ite county nangani ko kemege ndeke abachesi bakorete bagocha se county ngankolenda bagocha jabano ngocha nakumi uno monto teneta abale magu ababonsi bakoreta abantu nga GSU kiangu abana abantu bale marete ndobwate 46 types of disability ebata keire baiche bapimu barorunga ye disability yabe eberete igoro omusubati narororo oborito bwarwete jabano ngoboli chesi eba motivo ngate oborito bokarwa gusengi bamukorera tinda amanyabuya ebirama byane biro bikoni mtamtamu ali SM igoro tibaone abande batachitwa magoro ebara irenja nataka amanye naki bachete na ende nakyabale abana bakonyaka especially umusubati uri oborito bwarwete omwana igakwete korunda wemetie nyisaba era bweka igore mairoro che na no bonkorengera naki omwana oyasire ni tebi wa machiwo stingote